Purok VX60 is a very strong, hard, methyl methacrylate based structural adhesive. It is 2-component and comes in a 1:1 mix ratio, available in 3 different volumes: 50ml, 200ml and 400ml. You can get 2 different variations of Purok VX60, 15 and 35. This number refers to the length of time it takes to reach handling strength. For example, with Purok VX60 15, you can put the bond in light operation after just 15 minutes. The other variation offers a longer open time in case you need more time to put the substrates in place. Purok VX60 is a good fit for you if you're a marine, transportation or recreational vehicle manufacturer and you need a high-strength, rigid, structural adhesive with fast curing capabilities and minimal surface preparation. Purok VX60 may not be the best product for you if you require an odorless solution or the bond is likely to experience some movement and dynamic load. Some thermoplastics may be affected by the exothermic reaction as it cures, as I'll explain later. Purok VX60 is very strong. It is capable of achieving strengths of up to 30 megapascal. This means that for every squared centimetre, the adhesive can withstand up to 300 kilos of force. Purok VX60 is not only strong, it is also quite rigid, offering only 5% flex, similar to many epoxies. This makes it an ideal adhesive if the bond requires high strength but no joint movement, for example replacing welds, replacing rivets, bracketry bonding and composites. If you need more flexibility, you should look at our Purok VX61 or VX70. Another advantage of VX60 is that it requires minimal surface preparation to achieve excellent adhesion to metals, plastics, composites. Purok VX60 also offers good chemical resistance. This means that Purok VX60 can resist a wide variety of chemicals, making it ideal for marine applications where salt water and other chemicals may come in contact with the cured adhesive. Another property that is unique to Purok VX60 is very good adhesion to galvanized steel. There are 3 features of VX60 that you should be aware of. It has a typical acrylic smell, it has an exothermic reaction when it cures, and it doesn't have high grab. In a close, unvented space, the acrylic smell could be too much for some. We'd recommend that care is taken to provide adequate ventilation. While the smell of VX60 is quite strong, it's relatively harmless. When it comes to the exotherm, a normal sized bead of 6mm thick can reach around 80 degrees centigrade. In a large mass, VX60 can reach temperatures up to 120 degrees centigrade. This means that some plastics may soften, leaving witness or distortion marks. This only normally happens if there is a large mass over 15mm thick. Another downside to VX60 is the lack of grab. If you need an adhesive to hold itself in place while it cures, you need to look for an adhesive with a high grab, such as MS polymer adhesives, or look at a tape adhesive combination. Now that you know about Purok VX60, you can find out more information on the technical data sheet. Thanks for watching, we look forward to helping you.